Hello everyone. Good evening. Am I audible and visible to all? यार, गलत तो नहीं हो गया. Am I audible and visible to all? यार, गलत तो नहीं हो गया. Am I audible and visible to all? Yeah. My screen is visible. Nice. ये तो loop हो जाएगा. Hello, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Yes, sir. Sohani is saying yes. Vignesh is saying hello. Nayasha is saying what's the agenda today? To learn, to grow. Aditi is saying yes. Okay, okay, okay. Whew. कल प्रैक्टिकल किया था हमने. वी हैव डन द प्रैक्टिकल टुमारो. यस्टरडे, सॉरी. हेलो हेलो, वी डिडंट गेट नोट्स. यार मैंने डेवटाउन को भेज दिए हैं. दे विल सेंड सून. आई हैव सेंड देम यार. प्लीज ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव सेंड देम. तो ये तो हमने कल कर ली थी. या वी हैव डन इट ना. यप, वी हैव डन इट. Hello, hello, hello. Sir, we didn't get votes. Why? Because I haven't to DevTown, but they will be sending like today. They will send. It was some. I was gathering some resources, guys. So it took me time to. In this section, we will learn about the subword, the logic, or more advanced SQL. Now let's understand the more advanced SQL. Okay. Your voice is not low. I am sure. Voice is not low. In this section, we will learn about the subword, the logic, or more advanced SQL. Now let's understand the more advanced SQL. Okay, yeah. Voice is not low. I am 101% sure because I am using my own device today. Okay. Voice is okay. I know it's okay. So, just like any other language, SQL allows user to comment as well. So, uh, if you use a medicine, it's a medicine. But if like it's similar to knife, if you use knife for good purpose, it's a nice thing, nice tool. But if you use knife for wrong thing, it's not a nice tool. Okay, just I am bad in giving example, but might be you able to understand it. Okay, similar with the hash. Like there are two types of line comments. One is this and one is hash. In the addition, in the line comment, this is also, but this is not usually used. Even I know it today. Note, in SQL, using two dashes only is not enough to start a comment. So there has been to be an empty spaces after them. तो आप ध्यान दीजिए कि So the comment start with this with a space at the end. This is sometimes URL encoded as okay. So let's see this clearly. Try to see this thing. I will like they are saying that this thing now there is a gap. See, there is a gap. That's how a comment is made. Sometimes URL encoded as so URL encoding will do it like this. As spaces, our URLs are encoded as plus. To make it clear, we will add another minus at the end. So this, and one more minus, gap minus to show the use of special character. Okay, so we will see. Uh, you can add anything in the password. Okay, we are using a gap. See, can you see, guys? Here is a gap. Might be. No, there is no gap. There is no gap. They are not using any gap here. Okay, might be they might be using an admin. Yeah, in admin they are also not using any gap. Okay, if we input your payload in the URL, sir, SQL is case sensitive. Better Google it. It's a case sensitive. It's not case sensitive. It's not. I think I never ever tried it. You can try it. Hello, Vinith. The server will ignore the rest of the and password is equal to something and during evaluation. Tip: if you are inputting your payload in the URL within the browser, a hash symbol is usually considered as a tag and will be not present as your in the encoding thing. Okay. So let us go give example to a previous example. Inject admin this as your username and the final query will be like this. Now see kya hua. Now see what happened. So what happened here is that generally this comma and this code and this code, we added some code, one extra code here. So this whole thing is executed. After that, there is a minus minus. Anything after this will be a comment. So password is never executed. Admin is always right. So you will get an access. Let's try it. Let's try. Why not give it a try? Let's try. Whatever they are saying, let's try it. So admin, they were saying add a single code here, then and minus minus slash. Let's see. We got an error. Why we got an error? Oh, आदमी admin को गलत लिख दिया name. Okay, let's try it now. Admin is right. Why there is a gap between here? Let's try it again. There shouldn't be any gap. There it should be gap. Admin minus minus and this. We got an SQL error. And ID is greater than 1. Here is something else. It will not work here because there is another logic they have added and ID is greater than 1. So whenever it's comment out, it's commented like this and ID is greater than 1 is something else. So this command will not be executed here, but it will be might be there are chances it will be executed at previous one because there was only username and password. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check it here. Okay. They might be looking same, but they are not. Okay, admin, comma, minus minus. Why am I putting that? Minus minus. Let's see. Yeah, we are successfully logged in. Because here is command like user is equal to this. Now this is executed. This one. After that, it's just what we say. It's just a comment. Okay. Now, what happening here? Also, it's after a comment, but there is another query add, and it's in the this one, this thing. Okay, so the comment is only within here. So anything entered here will be remain here in this brackets. Might be I am able to let you understand this. Might be. Are you understanding this? Everyone, are you understanding this? Okay, that's why comment thing not here works because everything is inside this. Now we have to use some more logic. Let's see. Oh, let's see it. We have done and we have reached that thing. Another example, SQL supports the uses of parentheses. If the application needs to check for particular condition before other exception, like here. Now admin thing will not work because there is a parenthesis here. To above query ensure that user ID is always greater than 1. Then the user ID is greater than 1, which will prevent anyone from logging in as admin. Additionally, if we also see that the password was hashed before being used in the query, now we are saying this. Something we put it here. Remember, this is not a thing. I just put the gap. The password is hashed. Now the password is hashed. कि password तो hash कर चुके हैं. They have hashed the password. This will prevent us from injecting through password field because the input is changed to hash. We will let us try login with the credentials, admin and password. You will see password is hashed to this. Might be using SHA to this, might be using MDM5. They're using different things, but password is hashed. Okay. So as expected, the login is failed because admin ID is equal to 1. So let us try. What is the scene here? The admin's ID is equal to 1. So let's try login in with the credential of another user, such as Tom. So like where is equal to user is equal to Tom and iski ID pakka greater than 1 hai, we know the password and we logged in. Okay, nice. Login the user is with an ID not equal to 1 was successful. So how we log in as admin? We know the previous section, the comment out the things works. So they got a logic failed due to syntax error as the closed one did not balance the operator parentheses. To execute the query successfully, we will have to add a close parenthesis. Now what we are saying, we will add a close parenthesis. Now we will see the magic. Now what happened? Select all from where login. Now this one only thing executed. Now what happened? The parenthesis closed there. After that, everything was commented out. So we are successfully logged in as admin. Some messages. Okay, are you understanding this thing, guys? Let me come back to my screen. Let's see the comments. Are you understanding, guys? Password hashed meaning. Yes. So even parenthesis doesn't stop us. Okay. Even this also doesn't stop us. So we got an hack. You can try it yourself. Now we have to use some another logic. Let's see. Let's see what logic they are using. Tom and add this is to stick comment on. Ashok, they are sending notes. Sorry, yeah. Today it will be sent. Okay. So it's Tom. Close the parenthesis. Minus minus. तुम्हारी डीबी ने एरर दे दिया हमें. Might be gap or might be reason. Let's see. Let's now try with the gap. Let's erase that gap and remove this thing and put one gap. Yeah, we are successfully logged in as Storm. But here the thing is they want us to, instead of this, they want us to, okay, they want us to do something different. Mm, They want us to be ID equal to 5. Click here to try again. What we have done, Tom, we have closed that thing. Then we close the bracket. Now we will say or ID equal to 5 parenthesis minus minus. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, selected all from login where username equal to Tom or ID equal to 5. No, 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 no. We don't have to put this. We don't have to put this here. There is some sort of error, but I can't understand that error. Hmm, let's check it out again. Might be we shouldn't be using gaps here. That's one thing I am clearly seeing out. Let's see. Cheat sheet admin or order by CN. So that's the reason SQL injection is not easy. Yeah, we successfully logged in. Okay, I was practicing in front of you guys. Now it's practice in this way only. Okay, nice. We will some day later. We will do it. So union clause. Any doubt, guys? Till now, it was a tough thing. SQL injection is not for beginners. We have logged into the admin, but I am not able to log into ID equal to 5. I don't know what is the meaning of ID equal to 5. I'm also thinking about it. SQL. Any guesses, guys? What is the meaning of them is equal to ID equal to 5? We have bypassed the authentication as admin, but what is the exact meaning of ID equal to 5? Any guesses, guys? Mhm. So, sir, please provide the notes for this. Yes, I am providing. That's marks record enter time of users. I don't think that. I will look tomorrow. What is the meaning of the MID equal to 5? I'm not able to know it now. Might be there will be some deeper meaning for them. Who knows? Okay, let's cover the union clause. So let's understand the union. So far, we have only manipulated the original query. Oh, am I audible to you? I just forgot to turn off. Sir, please explain again, sir. What is the assignment? I will give it at tomorrow. I will give it. Notes will be provided to you today. Okay, sir. But ID is already greater than. Doesn't that include? अगर ये होता तो flag आता ना. ID greater than 1 is also meaning that ID is equal to 2, ID equal to 3, ID equal to 4. Let's try something. I have something in mind. Mm, but you can't do it. I have done it. No benefit of that. I will see tomorrow what was the reason behind it. Don't worry. So far, we have seen only manipulating the original query to subvert the web logics and bypass the authentication using OR operators, the comments. However, another type of SQL injection is injecting the entire SQL query executed along with the original query. Okay. So what we were doing it, we manipulating the existing query, but now we will use our own query. So the union clause. So from MySQL database servers, you can understand what is the union. Okay, I am cut this out. Okay, from here you can understand the. It's only 26 minutes still now. Yeah. Okay. The union clause is used to combine the result from multiple select statements. This means that through a union of injection, we will able to select and dump the data all across the DBMS from the multiple. The union clause is used to combine the result from multiple select statements. This means through a union injection, we will able to select and dump data from all across the DBMS from okay. Select all from the ports. That's the reason. Now we are seeing the select all from ports. So this is the things that are in the ports database. Ports table, sorry. Now let us output the ships. From ship table, we are getting this. Ship Morrison, City, New York. Let's try union to combine both the results. Select all from ports, union, select all from ships. So we have done a union. Then what happened? This all these things are combined. Code, city. We got a code and a city. Okay, select all from ports. इसने सब port से select किया. We got the CNS, SJ, Shah. Now select all from ships. Then we also selected from all from ships. So city was New York. Ship name was okay. There might be some port number they have also included in the union that happens. Okay. As we can see, the union combines the output of both the select statements into one and trace into the ports table. The ship tables were combined. Still waiting all. It's just a like manual for laws. Yeah, it's just official SQL documentation. Yeah, Storm. It's yes, it's official documents. I think it's best. What are your things? Where is Arif? So you can see something else. Like we can see union combine the output of both select statement into one. So union selects all the statements into one. Okay. Okay, guys. So union combines both the statements, even columns. The union statement call only operates on select statement from within equal number of columns. For example, if we attempt to यार यहाँ क्या हुआ होगा ध्यान दीजिए कि पहली चीन आउटपुट्स देखिए आप सीएन शाह शंघाई सीएन शाह शंघाई एसजीएन मॉरिस सिंगापुर शिवसेनाई सिंगापुर now third was Morrison and New York. So here this column was selected into this, put it into this, and like or you can say all these three things were put it into this. Okay, that's how the union works. But you think this thing can only works if this has two columns like this one and this one. But assume this has three. So how would that work? Where would be the third thing go? That's the main thing. Select cities from ports and union select all from ships. And this select statement have different number of columns. So what happened here is the both the select statements have different number of columns. Okay. Yeah, Purnima, I have shared the notes with DevTown due to some communication gap there. I want like today they will send it the notes. I think I have sent it them. Let me check. Let me check if I have sent them the notes. Just a second. Yeah, I have shared the SQL notes. Today they will send it. Okay. No issues. Understood, sir. Please. Sir, do you find what is the assignment RF? Yeah, give it. Don't worry, it won't be tough. The above select query is an error. The first select query returns one column and second returns two columns. So that's why error came. Because it has two columns and this has one. So once we have two queries that return the same number of columns, we can use the union operator to extract data from the other tables and tables. Select all from products where product ID equal to user input. Select all from products where product ID is equal to user input. We can inject a union query into the input such as the rows and other tables are returned. Select all from products where product is equal to 1, like we have 1 comma union select username password from passwords. Now what will happen? We will see. Now this thing will be executed here after this, like this. Select username passwords from passwords, and after that everything will be commented out. The above query will give us the usernames and passwords. Uneven columns. We will find out the query will usually not has the same number of columns as SQL we want to execute. So we will have to work around for that. For example, suppose we have one columns. In that case, we can put junk data for the remaining queries into so that the total number of columns are unioning. That's a not official word, okay? Which remains the same as original query. So they will put some junk data in it to make the number of columns even. For example, we can use as our junk data, the query will returns the string as input field. If we union with the strings junk and select query would be select junks from the password, that will return a junk. We will use number, for example, select one from passwords where returns one as output. So yeah, like this. This is how the query union select username two from passwords. 2, 3, 4. Now we can do it for everything we want. Yeah, I can't connect to the MySQL server because I have not installed it. I forgot. Yeah, I accessed just now. Sudo root. I have MySQL. Let's see. Let's connect with it. Okay, copy. Let's connect to MySQL. So how it's connected? Let's see. We will paste this command. We will. Then the port number is. Let's put it down a little bit. Okay. And the port number is. It entered. Sorry. It will return an error. How it's different? Let's see. Copy, Control Shift P. Now we will 48071. Now, yeah, we are in the. Let's check show data basis. You have error in your syntax. Is user root h is equals to this slash p flag slash p is for it port slash small p, I think, small p. Now we will use this query outside the MySQL user password. Enter the password. Let's see what's the password. And the password is password. Nice connectivity. Yeah, I am connected to server Oracle. Okay. So data basis. Error, you have error in SQL syntax. Oh, we have wrong spelling. This is databases SQL. Yeah. So we are connected to this server. You can see. Now we will what we do show select all employees. No database selected. Select. Oh, I started too much into it. I forgot. It's time for attendance, guys. I forgot it. I forgot it. I will be sharing attendance. Just a second. Might be you will be seeing some blue screen for some seconds. Don't worry. Okay. I was too much interacting with it. I forgot about attendance. Yeah, I am sharing attendance. I am sharing attendance. I forgot about it. I am sharing. Today is day 4 now? Tomorrow is last day. Mhm. Okay. I have shared the attendance with you guys. I have shared the attendance with you guys. You can see or not? I am not. I forgot. I typed it. I remember it. Okay. That's the attendance link I have shared with you. Just put out the attendance here. Okay. Uh-uh. Screen is not visible. Is my screen visible to you guys now? Okay. Sir, chalo, let's do take some doubts. But about assignment, assignment will be always is shared on fifth day. It will be have proper documentation where you will see what you have to do. Majorly, it's a report writing thing. Might be this time I will be do something else, but it will be told to you in the group. Okay, sir. What is the Hall of Fame and how can I achieve it? Please tell me. Okay, you can achieve Hall of Fame by doing lots of practice and finding real bugs and mentioning them, and you can get into the Hall of Fame. Sathya, might be you're not very well name. Sub project or assignment will be shared at last day of. Okay. Abhijit Pai. Yeah, nice. Any more doubt, guys? Anyone have any doubt? Yeah, it's possible. Just you need some good skills with it. Loner, it's possible, sir. Are you executing this command in a separate OS? No, I am executing in my own OS. Okay, sir. Please say some steps of all of them. It's super duper tough, yeah. You are not no SQL injection and you want to go into all of them. It's tough. So, what distro are you using? You are asking fifth time. I am using Pop OS. Command, sir. It's easy. Just Google it. How to access attendance link? Screenshot लो, Google Lens पे डालो, and you can access it. You can copy it also. Okay. Now I have done something I don't know how to stop it. Comments. Sir, I am trying to understand SQL injection works in real scenarios. Could you please explain how user input can be manipulated, alter as a SQL query? How do you segments of parentheses? Yeah, when you will get the notes, na, there is a link to it. You can read whole documentation in it. You will get a good idea about it. Okay. Okay. Sir, if we read data from the tables that there is any query present recovering it, not, not, there is no any query that would work. It is legal? No. It is possible? Yes. It is possible to use SQL query in real world scenario. Is it legal? No. Sir, please provide notes today. They will share it now. Some communication error was there. Wait, she will share the notes. Wait. Ask DevTown admins for it. How the certificate will be shared. Okay. So goodbye, guys. Any doubt you have? Then you can do it. Then it's legal specifier. Then you can try. Use Buffett. Sir, will you take any submit to government for certification of completion? Yes, there is, but it will shared on last day. Sir, you are right. Okay. Goodbye, guys. My laptop is today super duper slow. I don't know why. Attendance link is shared. You can't see it on screen. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Goodbye. I will do it tomorrow, Storm. That thing I will do it tomorrow again. Vlog DIV times. That's you can ask DevTown support, DevTown admins. They know it. Someone said brilliant class. Thank you. Yeah.